Hello everyone, it is Monday, March 9th, 2026, and this is a video about Cash SPX futures. This is a continuous chart because the back data is not reliable on ES Daily right now, so this is the continuous chart so that I could see more levels. Levels that I have right now are 65.82 to 83. Those are a couple pieces of symmetry that I have here on ES as support. And then the next level I'm looking at is 65.46 to 62 if we are not able to hold that 65.82 to 83 area. Now that I have that price support bouncing today, something we can go ahead and do is look at the resistance that is associated with today's low. Again, today is March 9th, 2026. Because I do feel like we could come into some of this resistance and make a lower low. I could make a case for the bulls or the bears right now. We did come back above that 200 simple, which means we could make a case for the bulls. But because we're below the 50, which is that green line, and the 5 is below the 13, we are still vulnerable to the downside. So please be aware of that. This may not be, the most downside that we're going to see here. So let's get some more retracements in here and see what clusters we can come up with that could potentially give us trouble on the way up here. So it looks like this first area is 67.37 to 60. Whoop, wait, did I do that right? No, to 48. I'm sorry, that was too wide. 48. 60 is the next area. Now I round up sometimes because you can see that that number is 47.61, but I rounded up. So the next area is 59 to 67. Next cluster is 77 to 84. And you can kind of see the other areas we have going on up from there. 60, 807, 13, then 44 to 48. So we have a lot of resistance we need to get through in order for things to be looking better here on the market. And I'll go ahead and share this chart also. But be sure you're following me on X at TraderTammy1. Be sure you are subscribing to my YouTube channel, which is Fibonacci Princess. And also make sure you're going to my website, FibonacciPrincess.com, and signing up for my free newsletter. Thanks, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.